Hey! I told you I brought my own bags.
Sorry?
Apology accepted.
I swear, Helen, I could sense something. Someone watching me in the bath. Like a pervert ghost. I told the cops already. I'm not sure why Jimmy Day would do something like this.
Jimmy Day? Wait, so you knew the guy that grabbed you?
Everyone in town knows Jimmy. He's a hero. We had a parade for him downtown when he came back from Afghanistan.
Sorry. When was this?
A few weeks ago.
So, this Jimmy Day guy, he just grabbed you and took you to the hotel.
No, I came from work and was in the parking lot when this blue van pulled up. This guy with a hoodie asked me directions. That's all I remember till I woke up tied to that bed.
And was Hoodie there too?
Just Jimmy. And he was crying, saying he was sorry and all.
That he was sorry.
At first I thought he was gonna kill me. Then he just seemed scared.
What are you talking about?
Josh, it's just an urban legend.
What?
Boat captains can't marry people.
Are you sure? Uh-huh. Okay. Thanks, Courtney.
So?
Okay. I've got bad news. Then great news. Then bad news. Then good news again.
Just tell me.
You're right. Boat captains can't marry people.
I told you.
But I am legally allowed to marry someone if I have a form signed by the county clerk.
Wait, that's it?
Hey, it's Weddingsville.
Okay, so let's get down to the clerk's office and get the form.
Well, the county clerk is off today, and he's off for a week starting tomorrow.
So he can't approve you to perform the wedding?
Not necessarily. His assistant was on the phone, and she said that he doesn't start his vacation until the next morning.
So what do we do?
We get on a boat and we go see him. Right now.
Well, we can't just barge in on him.
Well, maybe you can't, but his favorite fishing guide can.
No way. Wait, you're the county clerk's favorite fishing guy?
I'm everyone's favorite fishing guide. You get the form printed out, and I'll get the boat started.
Sounds like a plan.